Here is how you tape your ankle by yourself before going out for your game in under 3 minutes. First of all, you want to go one round around the ankle and just make sure your ankles are pointing up. Next up, you want to add a stirrup. So start from one side, go down and around up to the other side of the ankle. Remember to press it down firmly as well, and always do this twice, making sure that the tapes just overlap each other slightly around 50%. Next, start a little off from the middle of the ankle, go down and around the feet, and then back to the side once again. And just like before, do this again, making sure that the tapes overlap each other slightly. Always check that the tape is firm but not too tight by just wriggling your feet around. Next, we are going to do a figure of 8. So start from one side of the ankle, go down and around to the bottom of the feet, and then back in the opposite direction, ending off the tape right at the opposite side. Next, go for one more tape just around the top to make sure we secure all of the tape down. Check one more time that the tape is firm but not too tight, and you are ready to go win that game.